Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ritz the Erudite AI. And this particular channel consists of all the lovely AI tools which educators and students will love to use in all their use cases in everyday life. Do check out all the use cases of the AI tools which I have discussed and other tools which will help teachers and students have a very mesmerizing experience. Do like, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Give your views on the comments. Let me know how I can improve and how we can have a lovely journey together. So have a nice day and straight away dive in to the next video of Magic School AI, which is just coming up in just no time.
Very interesting today called the Magic School AI. I will guide you to this process and you will see that it is so interesting that you will immediately be interested in it. So I'm redirecting you to the Google and we will type there Magic School AI. And we click on the icon, and the minute we click on the icon, we need to sign up for free. So you see that I have put my mouse pointer there just to redirect me there. Since I already have an account, it has directly opened this page. Let's dive in and learn our first tool called the Lesson Plan Generator. Through this tool, we can create a variety of lesson plans according to our likings and our wants. First step is, from the grade level, we will select grade 6. Then we type the topic. So let's say, for example, I want to create a lesson plan for class 6 CBSE level on the chapter Introduction to Python. I have done that. Additionally, I will also upload the PDF of the chapter to make it more versatile in the sense that my whole chapter will be taken into consideration. Please note that the total number of words in the files allowed is 75,000. So since it's a free tier that we are following, we must keep into account that we do not upload the entire book. Rather, we break it into chapters and then we upload it, so it becomes easier. We also have an option of getting help with the prompt. So let's click on this, and this will give a beautiful prompt which I can use for my use case out here. My improved prompt is design a comprehensive lesson plan for 6th grade CBSE class focusing on the chapter Introduction to Python, including learning objectives, activities and assessment methods. I can copy the prompt and I can also accept the prompt. After doing that, I quickly click on the generate button to view the output. The additional criteria we can explore at a different point of time. First, we are understanding the basics of this lesson plan. So you see, the basic lesson plan has been created and I can either copy it and I can also click on the 3 dots which is next to the more button and save my resource. So I have saved it as lesson plan for class 6 Python CBSE, and we click on the save button. When I want, I can also edit this like this and to make any edits I want. Say I want to write learning objective assessment, I want to make a little bit of change with the prompt, then I can do that and so on. At this point of time, if I'm happy with everything, I click on the save button. And I can keep this lesson plan as a copy in my whichever document I want. I can put it in my Word document the way I have, and click on the paste here, and I'll be able to paste it. So the minute I do that, I will get the lesson plan out here. So I can start a new file out here and simply paste my lesson plan, which is there in front of me, and I can use it for my class by following the key points and whatever information which it has given, which it has also extracted from the PDF document which I had uploaded. So with this, we come to the end of this video, and we have explored something very interesting today about the lesson plan, which I'm saving here. As you can see, for class 6. I have clicked on the save button. I have got my lesson plan, and now from Magic School AI, I can just close it, or I can just log out from here by clicking on this particular thing. So if you have liked my video, you can please like and subscribe my channel, and we can dive into the next tool in my next video. Thank you.